In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add external dashboards to Notion. By the end, you'll have your Tableau, Power BI, Looker, or similar dashboards neatly embedded on a Notion page so your team can view insights without switching tools. First, open your dashboard tool and find the option to generate a shareable link. This is usually labeled Share, Publish, or Embed. The key here is to produce a public or embeddable URL, not just a private preview. In many tools, you'll see wording like Publish to Web or Get Embed Link. Make sure the link you copy is intended for embedding and that any required permissions are set to allow viewing outside the Analytics app. If your organization has stricter policies, confirm that embedding is permitted and that you are not exposing sensitive data. Once that's set, copy the public URL. If your tool offers multiple link types, choose the one designed for embedding, ideally using a secure HTTPS address. Next, switch over to your Notion page where you want the dashboard to live. Click into the spot on the page where you want it to appear and simply paste the URL. Notion will recognize that it's an embeddable link and show you a small prompt so you can decide what to do with it. When the prompt appears, choose Create Embed. This tells Notion to display the live dashboard instead of just dropping in a static link. If you only see an option to paste it as a link, it's usually a sign that the URL isn't publicly embeddable. Go back to your dashboard tool, double-check that the link is set to be publicly viewable or embeddable, and try again. Some platforms also require that the destination domain is allowed for embedding. If you get a blank frame, check your dashboard tool's sharing or admin settings. Once the embed appears on your Notion page, resize it to fit your layout. You can drag the handles to adjust the height and width until the dashboard is comfortable to read. If you are working with a wide, data-dense dashboard, consider switching the Notion page to full width so the embed has more room to breathe. You can also position the embed within columns to keep related notes, links, or KPIs nearby. Before you move on, interact with the embedded dashboard, try a filter or a hover to confirm it's loading correctly and remains readable at the chosen size. That's all there is to it. Generate a shareable embed link. Paste it into Notion, create the embed, and fine-tune the size for a clean, usable view. Thanks for watching.